Hey dolls! If your pores are looking extra visible, makeup is sitting weird, or your skin just feels congested, we need to talk about clay mask. Because not all clay masks are created equal. Some just dry out your skin, and some actually pull out clogged pores and leave your skin smooth. So today I tested 4 of the most viral Korean clay masks: the Skin 104 Madagascar Centella Pore Micing Quick Clay Mask, the Medicube Zero Pore Blackhead Matte Facial Mask, the INNISFREE Super Volcanic Clay Mask, and lastly, this April Skin Carrotene Pore Clay Mask. And I'm going to tell you which one is actually worth it or which one is best for your skin type and needs. Now, before we get into the reviews, let's set the standard. Because if you're using clay masks just to feel clean, you're wasting your time. Here's what actually matters. First, pore clearing power. This is the most important. Does it actually remove clogged pores, blackheads, and excess oil? Or does it just sit on your skin and dry out? Second, ingredients. Ingredients that help, not hurt. Now we're looking for kaolin or bentonite clay that really absorbs oil, centella that calms irritation, a form of acid like BHA that helps unclog pores. And third, drying versus balancing. Now, a good clay mask should not leave your skin tight and stripped. So if your face feels like paper after, it's a red flag. Fourth is ease of use. Now, if it's a messy application, you won't use it consistently, so it'll just be a waste. And fifth, of course, effect. We want smoother skin, we want less visible pores, and reduce congestion. Now, let's start with the most unique one, the Skin 104 Madagascar Centella Pore Micing Quick Clay Stick Mask. Now, this one comes in a stick format, so already it's giving low effort skincare. And what's very unique about it is that this one has a creamy and moist clay texture. You literally swipe it on your face, so there's no mess, no need to use your fingers or any tools. This mask contains a blend of 4 clays: kaolin, bentonite, elite. Okay, I didn't search how to pronounce this. I'm so sorry. So I might be butchering the pronunciation, but I'm gonna put how it's spelled, in Montmorillonite. I'm pretty sure it's not the right pronunciation. I'm so sorry. But kaolin clay is the gentlest and it helps absorb excess oil, while bentonite and Montmorillonite go deeper to pull out clogged sebum from pores. Elite helps detox and refine the skin, so you get a deep clean without completely stripping your skin barrier. It also has supporting ingredients like 9% of Centella asiatica extract. It also has glycerin, aloe vera extract, red bean powder, and calamine. So it's not just a clay mask, it's also a pore detox plus calming treatment in one. So you get clean pores without destroying your skin barrier. Now, my experience when using this is that it feels very gentle. And also, I love that it doesn't fully harden like traditional clay. Like, it doesn't feel tight on my face. I can still move my face around because, again, it doesn't really crack and feel tight. But here's the honest truth with this clay mask. After using this, my sebaceous filament, especially on my chin, was quickly dried out, and I can easily extract it with my blackhead remover tool. But I have to say, out of all the 4, it's not the strongest at removing clogged pores, but it's really amazing for sensitive and acne-prone skin. Not to say that it's not effective, but I think it's the gentlest one among all the 4. It help really smooth out my face. You know how like your sebaceous filaments are very, very oily? It did help dry them out. And after rinsing, my skin really feels soft. My hydration level is still really good. It's not stripped, and it really has this slight smoothing effect. And every time I use this, I also use their serum and their pore micing moisturizer. And I find that the 3 combo always makes my skin feels very balanced after. So I think that this clay mask is more of a maintenance clay mask, not for a deep detox. results. Next, we have the OG. This is the INNISFREE Super Volcanic Clay Mask. And this has been around forever. And there's a definite reason. This clay mask uses a mix of volcanic ash, kaolin, and bentonite clay. Now, volcanic ash is the hero ingredient here, and it's really known for its strong ability to absorb excess sebum and deeply cleanse your pores. While kaolin clay gently removes oil without over drying, and bentonite helps pull out deeper impurities like blackheads. Now, the star supporting ingredients also include silica and walnut shell powder, which helps exfoliate dead skin and smooth texture. It also contains green tea and citrus extract that help lightly soothe and refresh the skin after detoxing. This one has two versions, one in a tub and one in a stick. I tried both and it has the same effect, but I have to say though that the tub one is one of my least preferred packaging because it can be unsanitary, especially if you don't have a tool and you just dip your fingers every time you use it. So I prefer the stick one. But comparing this to Skin 104, this does not glide. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's so dry. This does not glide without water. So you either have to wet your face or wet the stick and then apply it on your face. And the texture is just a classic thick clay mask. Now, in my experience, this one gives that instant, deep, clean feeling. It has strong oil control. And when I looked at the microscope, this really loosens and help my sebaceous filaments rise up to the surface of my skin. So it's really easy to manually extract them with my tool. But it can feel drying. My skin feels matte, my pores look minimized, and my skin feels a slight tightness. Now, this one really works and it really softens my sebaceous filaments. It really helps to loosen them up so it's really easy to extract. But I don't think it's the most gentle option. So when you use this, just make sure that you really follow up with a hydrating serum or a hydrating moisturizer after. Really space out the time when you're using this. Make sure that you have enough time in between so it doesn't dry out your skin. Product number 3 is the MEDICUBE Mud Mask. I find that this is all the rave early 2000. Now, this is all the rave now, 2025, 2026. This one is marketed specifically for blackheads and pore care. So the expectations are really high. For texture, it's a thick, creamy mud mask. And this mask uses 4 types of clay, the same ones as Skin 104. But what makes it strong is the acids. It has HA, BHA, and PHA. So it doesn't just absorb oil, it actually helps dissolve what's inside your pores. So I find that this is more of a deep pore treatment. This one actually tightens as it dries, same as INNISFREE, which is actually a good sign for oil absorption. But what I like about this one compared to the INNISFREE is that it has a really cooling sensation when you put it on. So it feels refreshing on the skin. This is also in a squeeze tube, so it really makes application easier. Now, when I tried using the tool when applying this, like the kind of like a spatula to spread it on my face, I find that it's good, but I still need to use my fingers to apply it, especially on the side of my nose. Or it's not like the tool is not very precise, so it can go near my eyes. So I have to be really careful. So I still have to like swipe the clay that went near my eyes. So although using a skin spatula is less messy than just using your fingers, I find that you still need both. This also is very effective in loosening my sebaceous filaments and making physical extraction with my blackhead tool easier. After cleansing, my skin feels clean. My pores looks tighter, my skin feels smoother, and although not stripping, I can really feel that it absorbs oil on my skin. So just like when using the Innisfree, just be careful because again, this one has BHA. So it can be slightly drying if overused. So I think that this is your deep cleaning mask, but I wouldn't use it more than 1 to 2 times a week, especially if your skin is sensitive. Now, lastly, we have April Skin's Carrotene Pore Clay Mask. It has the same squeeze tube packaging as the Medicube and has the same cooling effect, but this has the most unique texture because it's almost like a whipped cream. So it glides very, very thinly and smoothly on the skin. Now, when I tested this, I tested it side by side with Medicube, and both actually made my oil plugs more raised and loosened from the skin. So, same as Medicube, it also made extraction easier. And looking at the microscope, both made my nose clearer, but this left my skin more moisturized than Medicube. So for sensitive skin, dry or combination skin, or if you're new to clay mask, this is a great option. Now let's rank them based on clogged pore removal. I think my gold medalist when it comes to best for clogged pores is Medicube. And my second place will be INNISFREE. My third place will be April Skin. I think that this is the most balanced option when it comes to clay mask. And the gentlest or as maintenance, but less deep cleaning would be Skin 1004. Now, again, those rankings are just based on removing clogged pores. But if you have sensitive or acne prone skin, and you want gentle care or you're a beginner with clay mask, I would suggest using the Skin 1004. And I would suggest using Innisfree if you want strong oil control and you don't mind dryness. I would use Medicube if you have blackhead or congestion and you want visible results. And also you want that cooling effect on your skin when you're putting on your clay mask. And I would use April Skin if you want a more balanced, non-drying option and you have dry or combination skin. So for my skin concern now, this is my favorite. I really love that, again, moussey texture. Also, when you apply it, it's very thin. So you don't need to use a lot and it gives like a good coverage. Also, it dries very quickly. You only need 3 to 5 minutes. I think this is called a 3-minute clay mask. So within 3 minutes, it would dry and you can easily remove it and then you can use your tool to extract. So it's very easy to use. I love the texture on my skin. It's also very effective. So for now, this is my favorite. And from testing a lot of clay masks, I really love clay masks. I was reviewing my old videos and I have been reviewing clay masks for a while. And I am going to be real with you. Clay masks don't magically remove blackheads in one use, but they do make them easier to extract and it helps keep your pores clearer over time.
We are
And I
going to
wouldn't
look
know
at it
this fact have
under
I
the
not used my
microscope,
skin
and you can
microscope
see
because
the
in the naked eye,
blackheads or
again, as I've
whiteheads
said
are
previously,
very
it's
raised.
so hard to
At this
know.
point,
Just
it
don't
looks
go
like it's
overboard with
ready to be
extraction tools
harvested.
and
Extractor, I
just be
just went
gentle with your
on it.
skin
It was
because
so easy to remove with the
removing your
microscope,
blackheads with the
and I
tools
was just
kind of
gliding my
addicting. So you
blackhead
just have to
extractor.
make sure
These
that
are
you be
all
gentle
the
with your
gunk
skin. Now, I want
that
to
I
know what's your
harvested.
skin type and what's your favorite clay
Wow.
mask. Drop it in the comments below so we can all learn from each other. Also, shout out to this subscriber that requested the clay mask comparison. Because of you, I have this content. I wouldn't think of this idea if you have not requested for it. So thank you very much. And if you find this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to subscribe. We're already at 40,000 subscribers. So help me get to 50,000 subscribers before the end of the year because I test everything so you don't waste your money. And as always, take care of your skin and take care of you. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!